So I'm just adding a couple more little things to the vehicle because, hey, why not, right? You know, the thing is, this is basically just a GTI, this Q3 F3. And, you know, the hardest part was getting this out. I don't know what they were thinking, whoever put that in. So I have the muffler thing because the stock one has like a little air pocket. It allows the air to come out. And I also have another little piece for the basic diverter there. Let's give it a little bit more. And I have to admit, this is so crazy. The light is making it too... hold on, let me see. I can't believe how easy it was actually coming out. Off, you know, it's a plastic piece, which is crazy. And unfortunately, this is the only thing I had, like Allen keys. But it came off. It's ready to go. I'm going to unscrew it out. I couldn't believe it. Look at this. This thing looks like it's, what, plastic? Yeah, that thing is plastic, I believe. Yeah, that's crazy. For the turbo right there? What are they? I mean, come on. There shouldn't be that. I think the other one is down below, but I got to change. I don't know how the hell I'm going to get to that, but there you go. Hopefully it doesn't make it easy, too, when your assistant mechanic is on the prowl, too. So, yep. I guess his calling was definitely for mechanics. Yeah. So it's crazy. I'm watching other YouTube videos. Guy, too, he's pretty decent. And he's like, oh, you're going to need a 7mm open wrench, which I don't friggin' have. So I'm like, well, what the hell do I need to even do that for? When basically I could just undo it from here and just pull it back, which I've already done, right? I pulled it back, and now, see, the problem is nobody has access. Yeah, it's so hard to do this. I don't know this guy. It must take them like 30 years just to put the video together, just by trying to show you what the hell's going on, because it's very difficult. But anyway, the culprit is here where my finger is, and there's no room. Now I have room, though, because I've made room by just pulling this back, the whole shaft. But yeah, let's see. I got 2 to go. Of course, the most difficult ones, because you can't reach in there. Turbo muffler also. So here's what I came up with. I actually electrical taped the bolt onto it. As soon as I just get it snug, it will just come right out. It'll be a lot easier than dropping it down into the black hole, which I'll never get again. Tack, definitely work with the electrical tape. I mean, you know, what a pain in the neck this is with these sort of small spots here. Now that thing is really on there too. That's funny. Hold on, let me see. Probably gonna need 2 hands to get this thing off, but at least it's on there. I didn't need the 2 hands. Then it came right off. It was easy. That's it. Just, you know, drench it in friggin' electrical tape. Much easier. Now I'm ready to go. It's easy.